Hello everyone, this is 𝗏𝗵𝗆 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to get notified on email when students submit projects in 𝗏𝗋𝗋 platform, right? So guys, in this video I am going to explain to you how you can automatically get an email notifying you that your students have submitted their projects on 𝗏𝗋𝗋 platform. Now you will wonder why we need this automation. So let me explain to you. Suppose that you have created a course here in 𝗏𝗋𝗋 application, okay? So we are taking the examples of 𝗏𝗋𝗋. You can use any other application to run and create your courses. So you have many students enrolled in this course and they are doing that course, right? So whenever your students complete the course, they have to submit a project that you have given to them so that you can know what they have learned from that course, right? So to keep the track of project submissions, you have to keep regularly checking manually the project submitted by your students in 𝗏𝗋𝗋 application. So guys, if you have many students and many courses, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and can be very problematic. So I have a better way here. What if I tell you that as and when any of your students submits the project here in 𝗏𝗋𝗋 application, you will get an email automatically saying to you that this student submitted this project for this course. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and it will connect these two applications together such that whenever your student submits the project, you will get a notification email automatically. And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation is going to work in real time and how you can make it yourself. So guys, this is my computer screen, you can see, and this is the login window of 𝗏𝗋𝗋 platform where we have created this course for our student, okay? So from this window, my student is going to log in and complete the course and submits the project of the course, okay? So as and when the student completes and submit the project, I want to be notified about this as a course creator. I want to know that my students submitting their projects. So I want to be notified in a new email here. So this is my email ID. So I'm going to show you how it will happen. I'm logging in here on the behalf of a student, okay? And this is the course. So let me complete the course first. We have only one lesson just to show you the demo. So I'm completing the lesson here and the course, you can see. So the course is completed here. Now let me show you the projects related with this course. So this is the project here, you can see, hospital management, okay, for our students. So here you can see post your work option. So I'm clicking on it. And here our student can write the title of the project. So I'm writing here hospital management, okay, project, okay. And here our student write the description. So let me fill the details and the descriptions for this project. So you can see my student completed his project work here. He have written the description. Now let me post it, okay. So I'm clicking on create post here, and you can see post successfully created, right? So a project post is successfully submitted here. Now let's check in my email ID if I get a notification for this project submission or not. So I'm opening my email here. And guys, you can see I have got a new email, right? And I'm opening this email now, and it is showing, hello course creator, a new project post on hospital management project is submitted by 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏. The student enrolled email ID is this, regards, right? So this is the project submitted and this is the name of my student. So you can see the name of my student here is 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏 only, okay? So this is how it is going to be done. As and when my students submitted the project, I got this email automatically, right? So let me show you the process by which you can also make this automation. So first of all, in your internet browser, you have to type here 𝗃𝙗𝗵𝗆, that is pabbly.com. Okay, and see, this is the dashboard of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, like this. And from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one trial account, so I am going to click on sign in directly. And from this all apps section of Pabbly, you have to click here on access now button of a Pabbly Connect panel like this. Okay, and this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this, right? So guys, to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this top right corner on create workflow button like this, and here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name as 𝙏𝙬𝙫 project submission notification on email, right? Now click on create here, and your workflow will be created like this, right? And guys, here you will see these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. All right. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new project submitted here in our 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform, and the action would be is to send the notification email to the course creator, okay, about this project submission, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, choose your application as 𝗏𝙬𝙫. Okay, this is 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform. Click on it, and now in this trigger event you have to select new project post option. Okay, after this connect button will appear. Click on it, and from this window select add new connection option, and now it will ask for this API key here and the subdomain's name. So to find the API key, you have to go to your 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform account, and to find the subdomain name, you have to open your program access. Okay, so your program's link will look like this, and from this program's link you will find this subdomain in between this, right? So let me show you. So guys, this is the dashboard of 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform where I have created this course. Okay, and in this program's link you can see we have this subdomain name like this. After this HTTP and this 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform, we have this name Pabbly Connect. So this is our program's name. So I'm copying this from here and I'm going to paste it here in this subdomain field, right? Like this. And in this token field, let me show you how to find the API key. I'm going to my dashboard again, and here I'm going to click on this accounts settings option from this bar icon. Okay, click on this account settings, and here you will find this key. You can see this API key. Copy this key from here like this and paste this API token here in this field, right? Now click on save, and you will see that we are connected with 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform now. Okay, now when you click here on save and send test request, it will start showing like this. Okay, you can see it started showing waiting for the response. This means now we have to do a test submission. Okay, we need to post a project in 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform on the behalf of any student. It will be a demo submission so that we can capture the data of that project submission here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, let me show you. So guys, I have logged in again in the 𝗏𝙬𝙫 platform on the behalf of a new student, which is this Naresh Sahu. Okay, so he has already completed our course, and he have written our project also on hospital management. You can see he have given the title, and in this description he have given this description, right? Now he is going to click on create post here like this, and you will see that the project is successfully submitted here, right? Now let's check in our Pabbly Connect if we captures the data about this project. So you can see here in Pabbly Connect we have captured the data about the project submission like this. The name is Naresh Sahu, email, and the post is this. Post is about this project. Okay, so that's how we are going to capture the data. Now we want to send a notification about this project submission to to the email ID of the course creator. So the course creator is me. So I'm going to click here on this action window now. And from this choose app field, I'm going to choose Gmail application, which is this, right? And in this action event, I'm going to select send an email option. Okay, then click on this connect button. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Gmail. Okay. So from this window, it will ask for this for your email ID on which you want to, from which you want to send the message emails. Okay. So select that email ID. Right. Now it will ask for the access to send the email. So give the required access. Click on continue. Okay. So you can see now the authorization is successful and started showing connected here, right? And now it is asking for the recipient's name. So I am the recipient. So I'm going to fill my name here as I am the course creator. Okay. And now in this recipient's email address, I'm going to enter my email ID only. Okay. Like this. Right. And in the sender's name, let's fill the sender's name as 𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Okay. 𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 platform. Okay. Now in this sender email address, I'm going to fill my email address again because I want to get notified about my own course, right? So this is a kind of self notification automation. So I'm filling my email address again. Okay. And I'm leaving this blank. This is not compulsory. And in the email subject, I'm writing the subject as a new project submission. Okay. Right. And in the email content, you can write the content you want to have in your notification email, right? So let me fill the content. So I have written the email like this. You can see, hi course creator, a project on this. So here I'm going to map the name of the projects. For that, what I'm going to do, you can see in this first tab, we have captured the data about the project submission and we got the data like this. So here we have the title of the project as well. So I'm going to map this title here in this email content like this. After this, a project on, here I want to map the title. So for that, click here. Okay. And you will find this 𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 platform option below here. Click on it and you'll find the details that we have captured in the first tab. So from here, I'm going to map this post title like this, right? So a project on hospital management system is submitted by your student, right? And after that, the name of the student is, so here I'm going to map the name of the student, which I'll find this 𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 platform option. This is 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏 and the enrolled email ID is, so here I'm going to map the email ID, which is this. Okay. So this is how I'm going to get the email, right? Now I'm going to click here on save and send test request and this email will be delivered here on my email ID right here, right? Let me show you. I am clicking here on save and send test request and you can see it started showing this kind of response here, right? Sent in inbox, right? Let me check in my email account. Okay, you can see a new email we got here and the subject is a new project submission. So this is the same subject I have put here, a new project submission, right? And let me check the email also. The email is this, hi course creator, a project on okay, it is repeated because I have, okay. So there is project on in the title also, that's why. Hospital management system is submitted by a student. The name of the student is 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, okay. And the enrolled email ID is this, right? So this is the same email content we have written here, okay. So the automation, the workflow is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, I connected 𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 platform. After that, we did a test submission to capture the data and we submitted a new project post for that and then captured the data. After that, in this action step, I connected Gmail application to send an email, which is a notification email to myself or the course creator. For that, I have written the recipient's name, the email address, the sender's email address, which is mine also, and the subject and the email content. Okay. And when I clicked here on save and send test request, you have seen that we got the email right here, right? So now just click on save, and guys, we are going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using it instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.